Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Good afternoon once again.
Afternoon, ma'am.
So we have started linear equations in two variables, ax plus b, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are the general form of a linear equation, and we have studied the graphical interpretation of linear equation in two variables. If the lines are intersecting, they have unique solution and the system is consistent. If lines are coinciding one upon another one, the system has infinitely many solution, and system again consistent. If the lines are parallel, the graph of a system of linear equation, the lines are parallel, we can say that the system does not have any solution, no solution. So the system is said to be inconsistent. If a system of equations has some solution, at least one solution, we can say that that system is consistent. If no solution, we will say that system is inconsistent. Up to this, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Eva? Is it clear, Eva? Eva? Hmm? Unmute and say, Eva. We can't hear you. I think, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Okay. So you draw, I will draw one table. You draw it in your book. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now draw a table. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, intersecting lines, unique solution, consistent. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, intersecting lines, unique solution, consistent. The system is consistent. And a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. The lines are coincident lines. Solution, how many solution for coincident lines?
One
Infinity. Solution. Infinitely many solution. Here also consistent. This is graphical representation. This is algebraical representation. This is the shape of the graph. Last one, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Parallel lines. No solution. Inconsistent. Prepare a table. Prepare this table and write 5 times this table today itself. Okay.
Is a stable important?
Hmm?
Is a stable important?
1 second, 1 second. Some problem with the mic. 1 second, please wait. Children, now we will start doing problems. First of all, we will start with a simple question. Find or write A1, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 from the pair of linear equations. From the pair of linear equation, find out which are A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay. So first set. This side you can write, left, right side you can write what is A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. All of you write what is A1, what is A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Find out.
Can you do one question?
Sure. First of all, you have to compare the given equation with our general form of linear equation. Our general form of linear equation is A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. This is the standard form. A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Comparing with these two equations, first equation 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Here A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. So in the place of A1, what is here in this question? A1 is
3.
3. B1
2y.
negative
y.
2.
Negative
Negative 2. Only the coefficients. Negative 2 and C1
5.
5.
5. Positive 5. And A2
0.
uh,
4.
4. A2
4.
4. B2
3y.
no y. Only coefficients. B2 3. C2
3. 6.
6. Okay. Is it clear how to do?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I to control.
Now do the second one. Okay. Check whether these lines are consistent or inconsistent. Are they intersecting, parallel, coinciding, and how many solutions they have. Check. 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to...
Is that 0 or 8? On
Uh,
on that
see.
second, that 0.
0, 0, 0, 0. For the next class, you must bring your graph book. Okay.
Okay.
We will draw the graph of these lines and find out whether they are intersecting, parallel, coinciding, all these things we will do in the next class. Isha, what about these lines? They are
I'm doing.
I'm doing.
doing.
Ma'am,
Mm,
it is not.
mm,
Yes.
not
It is not a solution.
A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is 9 by 18.
9 by 18.
1 by 2. B1 by B2, 3 by 6. 1 by 2. They are equal. If not equal, we can stop. C1 by C2 equal to what? 12 by 24. That also 1 by 2. So we can write A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So they are
coinciding.
coincident lines. The lines are coincidental or coinciding lines. Coinciding lines. Solution.
Many solution.
Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. And are they consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. If at
Consistent.
least one solution, we can say they are consistent. Okay. Consistent. How many of you got correct answer? Raise your hands. How many of you got correct answer? The lines are consistent. Karthik, you didn't get? Karthik? Raya?
I got none.
Okay. Raya, what about you?
I got.
Didn't get?
Yes, I got.
Got. So next one. Next question. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y. 3 by 2x. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. Equal to 7. 9x minus 10y. 9x minus 10y. 9x minus 10y equal to 14. Okay, do it.
How to do this? How to do this?
Same question, same way. Find out A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Same way, try. First of all, write what is A1. Same method. Christo, are you writing the notes? Christo? Hmm? Show me. Show the notes. Christo? Show your notes, Christo.
Ma'am, slide.
1 second. Christo, are you there? Christo? Alicia, what is 7? Alicia, what is 7?
By 2.
Ali, Alicia. What is 7, Alicia? Alicia. Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 7, Krishna? Krishna. 7 equal to? Kshetra. Kshetra. Are you there? Kshetra, Elsa? Can you hear me? Okay, Kshetra, what is 7?
3/2.
A2? A2.
Ma'am, I know.
Wait,
9.
9. B1?
5/3.
B2?
-10.
C1? Is it
7.
7?
Ma'am, negative
C1.
7.
Negative 7. Kshetra, it is negative 7. C2?
-14.
Negative 14. Now find A1 by A2. A1 by A2 equal to? Elsa, A1 by A2 is 3/2 by 9. So it is 3 by 18. You can write 1 by 6. B1 by B2. Elsa, give the answer. Shania, B1 by B2.
Ma'am,
Uh,
5/3 by negative.
5 by 3 by negative 10. That is 5 by negative 30. That is negative 1 by 6. Are they equal? A1 by A2 and B1 by B2, are they equal? Shania, are they equal?
Yes,
A1,
ma'am.
yes.
No, ma'am, no.
Why no?
I'm -6.
Negative 1 by 6 and one is negative 1 by 6, other one is negative 1 by 6. So we can say that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So what can we say with this, Shania? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So we can say
Intersecting lines.
lines are intersecting. What about their solution?
Unique solution.
Unique solution. Then the system is consistent or inconsistent?
Consistent.
Huh?
Consistent.
Consistent. Right.
Consistent.
Lines are intersecting. Unique solution and system is consistent. Next question. Next one. 4 by 3x 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8. 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. All of you try it. Over that one, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the lines? Lines are coinciding lines. And they are solution.
Infinity.
Infinite mini solution. And
So homework
about
question.
consistency.
Homework question.
Consistency. Are they consistent or inconsistent?
Consistent.
Consistent. Okay. Very good. Rohan, did you get that? How many of you got correctly? Correct answer. This consistent infinitely many solution.
Ma'am, I had out that A1 by A2 then
I will show. I will show. I
that
will
I
show.
had out.
What happened?
Ma'am, that fourth one
4 by 3. 4 by 3 divided by 2. So 4 by 6. Cancelling 2, you will get 2 by 3. Okay, Shisan?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this also 2 by 3. Which one? B1 by B2 is also 2 by 3.
Ma'am, that 6 how we get
2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 4 by 3.
4 we want to write that.
Huh?
That 4 we need, ma'am, that 4 we want to write like now. 4 by
Actually 4 by 3 by 2, no. That is 4 by 3 divided by 2. So 4 by 3 into 1 by 2.
yes, ma'am.
So 4 by 6. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then B1 by B2 also 2 by 3. C1 by C2 8 by 12. Cancelling we will get 2 by 3. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. How many of you got correct answer? Nabil?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Did you get the answer?
Yes.
Yes. Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Swati, what about you? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi? Christo?
Ma'am, when will school reopen?
Yes, ma'am. Who was that? That only Corona knows. Nobody else knows about that. Okay, Ashik.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to come back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pray for that. Okay, Ashik. Okay, so did you copy those homework questions?
No, ma'am.
No, copy. Today itself, do this questions. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. This side. Chrisjo, are you writing anything? Chrisjo? Hmm? Yes or no?
Homework question, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Homework question writing.
Okay, okay.
I finished.
Can I change this slide? Hmm? All of you copied? Okay. Right, next question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k find the value of k for which the equations has unique solution. For which the equations kx plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x plus y equal to 1 has unique solution. Unique solution has unique solution. Given that the system has unique solution, this is a system of linear equation in two variables. And given that it has unique solution, if a system has unique solution, we have a condition. What was that condition, Ashik? If a system of equation has unique solution, we have a condition. What was that condition, Ashik? The question they are
Yes, ma'am.
given, this system has unique solution. If a system has unique solution, we have a condition. What was that condition? Tania, what was the condition?
Coinciding lines.
They are coinciding lines. Okay, agree. But we have a condition based on the coefficients. Coinciding lines. Unique solution has coinciding lines, Tania. Unique solution means only one solution. Coinciding lines has how many solutions, Ania?
Infinitely many.
Infinitely many solutions. So they are not coinciding lines. Unique solution means the lines are
Intersecting lines.
intersecting. So what is the condition for that? For intersecting lines, what is the condition?
Unique solution.
Unique solution. I agree, unique solution. Okay. With their coefficients, what is the condition? For unique solution and intersecting solution, what is the condition as per their coefficients? How can we say, or when we can say this equation has unique solution? When we will say? How we will check? How can we find this system has unique solution? How we will check this equation has unique solution? Tanya?
A1 plus.
Huh?
We will find A1.
Yes. Find A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. Then only we can predict whether this equation has unique solution or infinite many solution or no solution. Okay. So we have a condition A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Then only we can say this system has unique solution. That is the condition. Is it clear, Sania?
Yes.
For solutions unique, the condition is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So, Sania, what is the condition for infinitely many solution? Sania, what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
condition for infinitely many solution?
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by.
For no solution, what was the condition? For no solution, what's the condition, Sania?
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2.
Okay. So I ask you to write the table how many times?
3 times.
3 times. So I think it is better to increase the number, right? 5 times. Because after doing this problems, you have again confused with that. So write 5 times. Okay? Agree? Because this is a sure question. Minimum 5 mark will come from this portion, today's portion. A 1 mark question is sure. Either a graph or a 3 mark question. And a 2 mark from finding K, finding a missing coefficient. It's a sure type question. So write 5 times. Okay?
Ma'am, all this.
That table.
Okay.
Understood what you have to write?
Yes, ma'am. That table.
This one. How many times, Nihal?
5.
Okay. Now come to our question. In this question, it was given that the system has unique solution. For unique solution, we have a condition A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Now, what is A1? A1 is? Jerlin, A1 is? Jerlin, A1 is? A1 equal to what? From the question. What was there in the place of A1? Anjali, A1 is? K. Jerlin has some network problem. Okay, Anjali, B1?
2.
C1?
5. Negative 5.
Negative 5. A2?
3.
B2?
1.
C2?
Negative 1.
Okay, A1 by A2 means K by 3. K by 3. Not equal to. B1 by B2 means 2 by 1. Cross multiplying, we will get K into 1 equal, not equal to 2 into 3. So K not equal to 6. This is the value of K. K cannot be 6. K can take any other values. All other values can take, but K cannot be 6. K can't take the value 6. All other values is suit for this K, but K cannot be 6. Okay, this
There
type of Huh?
And then here the kx is there now.
yeah,
1.
k by 3.
Now we can put a1 is equal to 1 now.
No, 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 no.
one-
Because
one
k is not a variable. No, no, no. Kx means x is the variable. K is not a variable. K is an unknown quantity. It is the coefficient. X is the coefficient. K is the coefficient of x. It's not a variable, Fisan. Here the variable is x. K is the coefficient. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we need to find k, value of k. The question is what? Find the value of k. It is not a variable. It's a missing quantity. Okay. Now we will do this type of questions for the next
Okay.
class.
1 minute.
Okay. Okay, I will show. Okay, so write those that table 5 times
Ma'am,
and do the homework questions.
Ma'am, in the B you have 1 came 1.
Huh?
Ma'am, in the B2 how
B2. B2 1 y. Y means it is 1y. Its coefficient is 1.
okay.
Okay. Don't worry, we will do many questions of this type in the next class.
Ma'am, this you write and study.
Which one?
This is the problem.
question. This one you write. And the
I can
previous,
study.
yes. Previous questions no need to do. You do the homework question. That is enough. Because all are simple questions. Do the homework questions. Write that table 5 times. This question you can write and study. Okay? Shall we wind up the class?
Yes, ma'am.